This is amazing, but the boat is too big to go inside. But I guess he's gonna make it. Looks like he's trying to make it. I am on a mission today to take a boat tour all the way to a beautiful cliffs in an area called Vestmanna right here. So I'm gonna have to exchange my ticket right there, and this is where I'm going, this beautiful place, I think, or maybe that cave. We will find out soon. Let's go get the ticket. And this is the office. I already booked online, but they told me to stop by here and get a printout of the ticket from this office. All right, I am on my way to the boat. I think this will be my boat. I'm trying to hurry up to get a good seat so I can capture nice footage. But because of the wind, we have a strong wind for the last 5 days, and maybe the captain might not be flexible enough to go to as close as to the cliff. We will see. Good morning.
Morning.
Where should I sit? Upstairs or
Yes, outside at least.
outside? Okay, thank you. So I'm gonna stay outside, but it's cold. I see some people are sitting inside, but there is nobody. I wonder why nobody is here. So I'm by myself, or maybe probably I boarded I got in early, so I'm not sure. But I do see people going that way because they have seats over there. This is inside. Just see, but if I sit inside, I'm not gonna be able to enjoy the view. But let's take a tour of the boat at least. It's like a kitchen. They have what? They have toilet or what? Maybe this is the toilet. This is the toilet, you see? So it's good, it's nice and clean. How about this one? This is something else. Let's check out upstairs. I think this is where I'm gonna sit. I'm not sure where I'm gonna sit, but I think it's better to sit outside to enjoy the view. All right, here is the final decision. I just asked the captain to find out if I'm allowed to stay here in front of him. He said it's fine. I wonder why there are no people standing here, but the captain said this spot here will be full of people. So I'm gonna stand here just to capture a nice photo. So I'm the first person, I guess, standing here. All right, we started sailing, and still you see this spot, no people right here. So I am by myself. They all went upstairs on the other side, but I see a few people are now starting to come in. So I'm gonna stay here just to reserve this spot.
Good morning, everyone. Very welcome on board. My name is Ije, and I'll be your guide on the tour today. Telling you about things that we see as we are sailing. Let me start by introducing Vestmanna, the town that we are leaving. 1,250 people are living here. And like so many other places in the Faroes, fishing industry is the most important industry.
Ladies and gentlemen, look at this. Wow, it's really something. So we've been sailing for about an hour to get to this location. We're gonna be headed to another beautiful location you will see in a few minutes. So hang in there. The best is yet to come. Wow, this is another beautiful photo opportunity here. I'm not sure if we're gonna go inside the cave or not. I don't think so. I don't think we're gonna go inside. This will be because the boat is too big for this. Oh my goodness, see, look at this. Wow. This is amazing, but the boat is too big to go inside. But I guess he's gonna make it. Looks like he's trying to make it. Oh wow. So he's gonna make a U-turn right here. But he's giving us the opportunity to take photos, a lot of photos. It's amazing that he's doing his best despite the windy weather. This is the one I think that I am waiting for. I'm not sure if this is the one or the second one. We will see. Got this beautiful sea stack. But the weather is not cooperating with us today. But I'm really surprised that the captain is able to get very close to this beautiful cliff. Oh, this is heaven on earth. This is something it's really out of this world. And now this is the sea stack. Very beautiful. right, we just came back. The tour is over. And now I am on my way to the tourist center. I think there is a cafeteria or cafe or something like that. Now is 12:30 p.m. afternoon. It's time for lunch. And it's also a beautiful town here, so I might do a short walk, take a stroll around this village. And just to show you, I think I hope they have a cafeteria, but I don't think so. It's closed. Back to the same office that I got the ticket earlier. I think they have the cafeteria here. There's a restaurant. Yeah. It's open. Yeah. Thank you.